Gurudev, how to create intense longing for the ultimate, especially when I don't know what the ultimate is?
Not to be satisfied with whatever you have. If you're satisfied with little food and some silly funs and passing time, people say, I'm killing time. They don't realize time is killing them, actually. This word we say usually, I'm killing time. How can you kill the time? Time is killing you. We waste time on so many things, or be satisfied with just some food and clothing and some gossip. Then it is unfortunate. Then we are wasting. But if you have an inquisitiveness to know something more, something bigger, not just satisfied with the mundane, already the longing is started. I tell you, the longing is there inside of you. That's why you are here. Otherwise, you would never be here. Some people say, oh, I don't have any experience. I'm doing meditation for 20 years. If you had no experience at all, what makes you continue for 20 years? The human tendency is you don't do anything which you realize is useless and futile. We never continue doing something futile. So there you must be getting something. There is something that is telling you from inside, I'm getting something. I have to do this. And so you are continuing. Though you are not getting some tangible experience, which you have already heard about the 9 different type of obstacles. Anavasthitatva. Alabdha bhumikatva. Not getting a base. These are some obstacles. But obstacles does not eliminate the presence. The fact that there is something there. Yeah. It can obscure, but it cannot eliminate. Right? So something is there inside of you, that longing is there. You simply have to recognize. If you don't recognize now, never mind, it will come up automatically inside of you.